Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and welcome to Cheerful Journey channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my bullet journal setup for the month of May. I'm starting with a new notebook because I just went through my first dotted notebook, which contains my January to April spread. For the month of May, I decided to have a minimalist theme, so I just sticked on the black and white gradient. On the first page, I just drew the calendar for the month of May and then wrote May as a title, and then I just added a quote below which states, "We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act but a habit." It is a quote by Aristotle. So as you might have guessed, the main theme for the month of May is how to build good habits. On the next page, I wrote a big calendar for the month of May, which will also serve as my month in a glance. On the left side, you would see that I put the title Goals because this is where I intended to put my goals for the month of May. At the bottom part, I wrote the monthly tasks, and then beside it, I wrote a quote that states it takes 21 days to make or break a habit. Since we have 31 days for the month of May, let us see and let us strive to build good habits. As what that familiar TV commercial states, that great things start from small beginnings. So let us start building good habits right now because eventually it will be part of our character. Now let us go to the right side of this spread, which I entitled Dates to Remember. This is where I intended to put on birthdays, events, or important appointments that I would like to remember in a glance. Then at the bottom part, I just put a small rectangle where I can put additional notes for this page. Now let us go to the next page. This is where I put my vision board for the month of May. As you can see, my vision board is an amalgamation of different quotes and photos of the things that I intended to accomplish for the month of May. I started this vision board with a quote that exudes positivity. It states, "Good things are going to happen." Now, as you can see at the bottom part of my vision board, there is an extra space which I can use to write different quotations that I'll encounter while reading. At the right side of this spread are two categories. First is the habit tracker. As you can see, I just drew the circle and then put the subcategories in between. So the subcategories are 8 glasses of water a day, and then no fast food for the day, read the Bible, meditate, journal, read, exercise, and save. Then at the bottom part are the events for the month of May. Now let us go on to the next page wherein you can see my bills tracker, which I entitled as my bills to pay. As you can see, there are subtitles that states description, amount, due date, and paid on what day. I allotted 2 pages for my bills tracker because it's part of adulting. And then on the next page, you would see that I put a vertical setup for my to-do list on a daily basis. So once again, here's a quick flip through of my bullet journal setup for the month of May. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to click that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click that subscribe button and that bell button so you will be notified every time I upload new videos. That's it for now, and please don't forget to join me again next time in my wonderful world of Cheerful Journey. Bye!